my shampoo, I'll be using the Sheba moisturizing bar. The famous Me Color, it does help detangle your hair. For my treatment, the hair mayonnaise from Me Color. So I'm done washing, I'll just deep treat my hair with the mayonnaise. So this is a deep treatment where I'll have to leave it on my hair for 15 minutes, cover it up, and then I'll wash it off. You can always have a break from the normal treatment and do a deep treatment, which basically improves the hair texture, strengthens your hair, improves shine. Yeah. We are ready for the Sheba curl cream. There it is. Smells nice. It's very simple. Just apply the curling cream into your hair, throw the hair right from the roots to the end of the hair, to the edges, because that's the essence of the curling cream, to go through the hair for the magic to happen. It's like the guys who have, what do you call it, relaxed hair, just like the salonist, applies the chemical throughout your hair. It's the same thing we do here. Just be generous with the curling cream. So the instructions basically say be generous with the cream. If you've used this cream before, let me know the amount you used. For me, it did not flake. No, yani, it's that good. You can choose to do a basic twist out, or just like that, or do bantu knots like I did. Not much difference, one and the same thing. I undid this 2 days later. If you want to oil your hair, this is a very good time because your hair is nicely parted, so oil it before you undo it.